Hello crafters, this is Suzanne for Cat Scrappiness, and I am here with a Thanksgiving fall card just in time for Thanksgiving. So you can make a bunch of these and put them at the Thanksgiving table or give them to your guest when they're leaving, etc. And Cat has an awesome fall Thanksgiving theme set. So here we have the Gobble Gobble stamps, the Gobble Gobble paper pack, and some awesome word dies that she has in her store. But before I get into the video, the creative crew this month, that's the design team at Cat Scrappiness, we are sharing our favorite 5 products. Here is the graphic for it. It is a Creative Crew's 2022 Holiday Gift Guide. So if you want to purchase something for yourself or your stash, look at the favorites of all the members on the Creative Crew. Or if you want to get fabulous craft items for your crafty friends or get somebody into crafting, there are some amazing products that you're going to see, Cat Scrappiness exclusives. So first up, let's get into that 2022 Holiday Gift Guide, the Creative Crew Holiday Gift Guide. So these are my 5 favorite Cat Scrappiness products, okay? Which are all dies. Did you expect anything different? I love dies. So let's just go right into it. I'm going to go through it quickly. First up, the Stitched Scallop Nesting Tags die. Love. So this is a fantastic 4-piece stitched scalloped tag die set, and I've used it on cards and on tags over and over and over again. This is a fantastic tag die set. Now the beauty of this too is that the tag itself is equal on both sides, meaning that on the back of the tag I can cut another one, because you know sometimes when you run through your die cut machine the back of the paper will look kind of crushed. You can cut another piece to put on top in the back like this, and it's clean and smooth. Some dies won't fit perfectly. This one does. So for that, this one is an out the gate winner. Love, love, love stitched scallop tags. Details about everything in this video will be listed below, including all of these 5 products. Next, the layered coffee cup die. Ooh, love, love, love this little tumbler die set. I have said this many times before. Here she is on a card. This one was a Valentine's version. It's a fantastic tumbler set, and it complements word dies, the Got Coffee, which is from the Perk Up coffee set. This here with the donut builder dies. Love that too, but my personal fan favorite, the tumbler coffee cup die. Love, love. Next, a new one that is new to my life, but boy, where have you been? Nesting Stitched Hexagon dies. Love this little die set. You can just play so much with it. I've used it here as a background on this Thanksgiving card. Also here as a shaker, but I call this one the dry shaker if you watch that video. There's no acetate and this doesn't move. And also here again as a frame, and here as a frame. I haven't really turned this into a full shaker yet, have I? I need to do that. I will for the next release. I will definitely do that. But boy, this is just a great set, and just so much opportunity with the nesting set. Love, love, love this stitched hexagon set. Fabulous, fabulous. Next, the reverse scallop frame dies. Love this one. Use this one over and over again. Here she is, here she is, and here she is. It's just a great frame for a scene. Super good set, and what I love about it is that it's not too thin here on the edging, so it works well with your foam tape, etc. It's easier to manage, so you won't, you know, have bits of foam showing on the edge. Sometimes when the frame gets too thin, it can get a little messy. And to lay it down too, because of the, it's not too thick, but it's not too thin, it lays down holding its shape. Some dies, it tends to lose its shape, okay? But there is, if you want the bigger version of it, there is also the slimline version of it. Here it is on this card. Love, and you can tell I love it in this color too. Love, look at the little dogs. Oh, love them. I forgot about this pink colorway. I need to revisit this one again too. Yeah. Anyway, Lastly, number 5, Merry Christmas, because I just love this one. I've told you guys I love this one, so if you didn't expect to see it, come on. I have to show you this one. This is the Merry Christmas, and I've had her for a few years, and she's just the greatest. I should have kept this out. Takes up a nice amount of real estate. Even though I've had this for a couple years, it's a timeless font. Here it is with some glossy accents. Here it is with glitter cardstock, and it comes with that wonderful shadow in the back. It even works with this colorway. I just love this one. Great for quick cards, and then you can transfer it onto other projects. Use it as a title for a home decor piece. Use it for your scrapbook layouts, mini albums. That's what I initially bought it for, was for mini albums, but fabulous for cards, and even on gift bags, etc. Gift giving. Fabulous, fabulous, fabulous die set. Add those to your cart and get one for yourself and one for your crafty bestie. Now let's get into the card tutorial. So these are the products that I am going to be using to make my card. We have the wavy nested dies. I'll put the measurement here on the screen. Fabulous nested die set. 7 dies coming on in with that wavy. Love that wavy detail. Perfect for A2 cards and also labels, etc. Next, the Gobble Gobble 6x6 paper pack. Gobble Gobble 4x6 stamp set with the cute little turkey. And it does have coordinating dies if you wish to purchase coordinating dies, because who wants to cut around curves and yeah. I know some of you do, but I'm not the big fussy cutting queen. And lastly, give thanks. Love this give thanks, which I showed you on that fall card right here in a different colorway than the card I'm going to show you how to make in this video, okay? Super duper cute. And I have my little guy colored up here. He's so cute. I did a little highlighting with my white Jelly Roll pen. I have a A2 card front here. This is half of a 8.5 by 11 sheet of paper, cut in half at the 5.5 inch mark, scored down the middle at 4 1/4, okay? I'm putting it here on the screen. Fold that in half, and there I have a 110-pound craft cardstock. On the front, I put this wonderful teal colorway. Then I'm going to put a second layer, so this is a 1/4 inch shorter. I'm going to put the measurement here on the screen. So here I use my tape runner. I put adhesive on the back. Then I'm going to center it here on the card. Always check your orientation, although it doesn't matter at this point. Center it as best as you can on the card. Next, we're going to go with, I use that wavy nested die and cut out this pattern paper from the Gobble Gobble paper pack. I think it's so cute, and I love this color. This is the color that started off the whole card. So you have a few options with this particular pattern paper. You could do either kind of a rust orange red color. I could have done that here in the back. I could have also done this mustard, or in my case, I did the teal. Options, folks. And I'm going to remove the tape backing. After I remove the tape backing, now I'm going to, always good habit, check the orientation for your card base, okay? Make sure that it's opening the right way. And then I'm going to center this again. Okay, there we are. So this part is popped up. Then now I got my little turkey and I have my sentiment. Now for the sentiment, I could have gone this way, but I thought this was getting lost into that. And I'm using this mustard colorway here for the back of the give thanks word die, okay? But it was matching that too much and getting lost in it. And I love this yellow pumpkin here. So what I did, I took a piece of vellum and covered it just to tone it down a bit like that. That's what you're seeing here, okay? Then on top, I came back in with that same teal color for the give thanks. It was kind of still going into it. So what I did, I cut another card base and I'm going to stagger it like so. See how it offers just a little bit of a break? So I'm going to do that. You don't have to, but I just wanted to show you my process, okay? I'm going to add a little bit of Barely Art glue. Kat does carry this in her store. Fantastic glue. I think I need to change my top here though. I have forgotten to put my pin back in my glue, even for a day. And you know that this thing still works, but it does clog that nozzle. And I think that's what happened here. All right, so now I'm going to do the stagger. There we go. Kind of over to the right and down a bit. There. Like a second offset. And I'm going to put it right there. Over to the side, I'm going to put my little turkey here. All right, let me do a tape runner. All right, so I apply the adhesive on the back, and I'm going to come a little bit. I want to cover up some of this too. A little bit over, maybe at an angle. Yes, I think I'm going to go the angle this time. Give thanks at an angle. There I go. Ooh, love. Next, I'm going to pop on my little turkey. I already have pop dots, a million of them in the back. I'm going to remove it and adhere my turkey. And there we go. Now at this point, I can decide I could stop here or put on some gems. I'm going to use the Caribbean Blue Pearl Mix. Okay, crafters, I like this layout that I did with the gems, so I'm going to go ahead and take some adhesive and put them in place. Okay, crafters, that is it for my Thanksgiving Give Thanks card with this adorable turkey. Everything will be detailed below. Definitely check out the Creative Cruise 2022 Holiday Gift Guide to add some awesome items to your stash or to purchase something special for your crafty friends for the holidays. Happy shopping, my friends. Until the next video, stay crafty. Bye.